Welcome to Fortress Security Store. This video tutorial will walk through the process of updating the firmware of your S1 Stealth main panel. Before we begin, a couple quick notes. Firstly, updating your panel's firmware without prior instruction from a Fortress representative will void the main panel's warranty. Secondly, once the panel is connected, do not unplug it until the update process is complete. Doing so could permanently damage your panel and render it unusable. To start, plug your main panel into the computer's USB port. For this, go ahead and use the power cord that came with the system. Once it's plugged in, press and release the power button. The light should begin to flash. Next, press and hold the power button until you hear a beep. The light will turn off. After a moment, it should come back on and stay on. At this point, the panel should show up on your computer. It will register as a USB drive. To begin the update, first follow the link provided to you by a Fortress customer support agent. Then click on the firmware file and download it. Once the download is complete, you will need to click on the zip folder to open it. Next, you will need to extract the files, using a program like WinRAR or 7-zip. These can be found online. In WinRAR, first select the folder, then click Extract to. Next, select the location you want these files to be saved to on your computer. Click OK to extract. When this is done, go ahead and close the program and open the folder where you placed the files. Select all of the firmware update files and copy them. Now, we're going to go into the main panel from the computer. Once inside, select the files and folders called AMR, DTMF, Ring, Ring065, and Alarm.exe, and delete them. Once they're deleted, paste in the firmware update files you copied. When you're finished, right-click the main panel and click on Eject. You should see a message on your screen when it is safe to unplug the panel. Now you can disconnect it from the computer. Now you're finished. You have installed the newest firmware on the panel. If you have any questions, check out our support tab on fortresssecurity.store.com. We have FAQs, programming instructions, and more videos, as well as contact information for our support team.